Hey there, Dean Bark, president of Fastline Marketing Group. Did you know that we're now making it even easier to connect buyers and sellers within our catalogs? By the scan of one QR code, buyers can now see more inventory, watch product demos, and learn more about our sellers, all within seconds. To scan a QR code, simply open your camera on your phone, hover over the code, and click the link that pops up. It's that easy. These QR codes bridge the gap between print and digital, allowing equipment items to come to life through videos and additional information. It's faster, more efficient, and it gives the buyers the information that they need. So whether you're in the barn, on the field, or at home, these QR codes connect you with the tools and the equipment that you need to keep your farm running strong. So come get a catalog, scan a QR code, and get the information that you need to do what's most important to you. Keep your farm running.